Hello friends, welcome to the fifth lecture of accounting and financial aspects for the non-finance managers. This is part 3 what we are going to learn now about the financial management. In this we have already discussed some points and the next point which we are going to discuss is cash flow and the fund flow. So this we will take together the cash flow and fund flow. This is accounting standard 3. It is mandatory also that we need to show into the financials. So in this the total, if you see cash flow and fund flow and analysis, it has three activities. One is operational activities, second is investing activities, and third is financing activities. So every company has three things. One, ऑपरेशनल वॉट एवर द बिजनेस, जो वो बिजनेस कर रहा है उसकी एक्टिविटी में से कितना फंड आया कितना गया. दूसरा, वो जो एक्टिविटी करने के लिए वो उसे कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है, सो वो इन्वेस्टमेंट में कितना पैसा गया और कितना पैसा आया. एसेट सेल किया तो पैसा आया, एसेट लिया तो पैसा गया. Then if you have, when you have a financing activity, the loan taken and the loan repaid, that will come here. So here it will be a business activity. Here fixed assets, a purchase and sale, and here loan taken and repaid. So as I mentioned earlier that it is operational activities shows net cash from the operational activities of the business. Investing activities shows net cash used in the investment activities of the business. Financing activities shows net cash used in the financing activities, loan taken and the loan repaid. This is what the short example of the format of the cash flow. See how it starts. Net profit, first of all we will take profit or loss, then we will do three adjustments, mostly three or four adjustments. Depreciation we will add back because it is non-cash. Interest charges because it comes under the financing activity. Then any loss on sale of assets, it goes to the investing activity. And increase in the deferred tax, so you can write deferred tax over here because it's a book entry only, so this is only book entry. You can write anywhere also. So this will give you the operational profit before working capital changes. The way we have seen the working capital, which is current assets minus current liability, or increase or decrease of liability in the assets which we record here. So any adjustment for the trade and other receivables, debtors बढ़ गया या फिर trade बढ़ गया तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Inventory increase decrease in the inventories and the trade and the other payable. Supplier को आउटस्टैंडिंग बढ़ गया तो यहाँ पे लेस हो जाएगा, आउटस्टैंडिंग कम हो गया तो यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा. So this is called as the cash generated from the operations, and out of this, if anything, something which we have paid like income tax, that will reflect here, and this is called as the net cash from the operating activity. This is what I mentioned here, net cash from the operating activities. Then after this, we will take what is that the business has purchased for the fixed assets. Is there any WIP is going on for the capital work in progress? कोई बिल्डिंग बन रहा है तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है वो. कोई एसेट्स बेचा है तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. कुछ डेप्रिसिएशन जो है, हमने जो भी सेल किया एसेट्स, उसका डेप्रिसिएशन वी विल टेक इट हियर. एंड लॉस ऑन एसेट्स व्हिच वी हैव adjusted here, that will come over here. And this will give you the net cash from the investing activities. This is what the investing activities which we have taken here. Investing activities. Now we go to the financing activities. So any proceed from the share issue of shares, or any borrowing taken from the banks, or any unsecured loan taken from the any shareholders, directors, or any long-term assets, long-term loans, or the long-term liabilities if you have repaid or taken, that will come here. And interest charges which we have done adjustment here, that will come here. So this is called as a net cash flow from the financing activity. तीनों का टोटल मारेंगे हम तो हमें यहाँ मिलेगा net increase or decrease in the cash flow. So that will come over here. ये वाला जो पार्ट है यहाँ पे आ जाएगा net increase decrease in the cash flow. So whatever the total is there, we will report here, and out of this we will reduce the or add the opening cash balances and the closing cash balances. So the answer should come nail here. So that will, that should match. If you do adjustment here, then this plus this minus this should match with your answer. So that is what we do in the cash flow statement. So this cash flow gives you the total picture of the organization, that what they have done in the whole year, whatever business they have done, that will reflect over here. So this is the very good financial management tool by which a person can know कि पूरे साल में ये बिजनेस ने क्या ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज से कमाया, क्या इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में उन्होंने अप्लाइड किया, एंड कितना उन्होंने फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में अप्लाई किया हुआ। Thank you, friends. This is for the this is the another video was there for the cash flow and the fund flow analysis. Now, next video we will see how to read the financials and the ratio and analysis. So, please visit my video channel, YouTube channel, to see the whole series of the accounting and financing activities or the aspects for the non-finance managers. Thank you very much, friends.